Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about maximizing CPU speed. If your computer is working slow, it can be cause of CPU not using much resources. Every processor has a minimum and maximum speed frequency. Basically, our processor runs at minimum frequency to save battery. Besides, it also keeps cores offline. It enables cores and boosts frequency when needed. But you can force your processor to use all cores at maximum frequency to boost computer speed. Well, in this video, I'm going to show how to enable all CPU cores to maximize computer speed. Continue further for getting the desired result. Okay, we're on our computer. Now go to Windows. Go to All Apps. Then scroll down and find Windows Administrative. Open it and find Performance Monitor. Run Performance Monitor. You can also search for Performance Monitor in Cortana. Now go to Data Collector Sets and open User Defined. Right-click on Empty Area. Click New. Click Data Collector Set. Now give the data collector a name and select Create Manually option. Click Next. Select Performance Counter and click Next. Click Add. Now you'll get a menu and a sub-menu. Find and select Processor and Menu. Now select Maximum Number Available. My CPU is based on 4 core. Since computer counts from 0, it's showing me 3. After selecting maximum, click Add button. Now search for process in menu list. Click it for one time and you'll see options on sub-menu. Again, double-click on process. Remember, you have to click for 2 times. You'll see new options has been appeared with blue background. Now find and select thread count in menu and select total in sub-menu. Check again and click Add button. Look at the right side and make sure you have selected right options. Now click OK. Now, click Next button. Click Next again. Click Finish. As you can see, we have created our counter successfully. Now we need to activate it. Right-click on Counter and click Start option. Congratulations! Your computer running at maximum cores and speed. Remember, you may need to start it manually after restart or turning off and on again. If this tutorial helped, consider liking and subscribing. Comment if you're facing any related problem. Have a good day.